Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one other Faucet website. This Faucet website is Ethereum. You can claim your Faucet every 5 minutes and you can earn much more. Okay, if you like Faucet Pay account, you can. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, okay, this is the website. The website name is Ethereum Faucet bitfoundation. And pay you this much Ethereum every 5 minutes and 25 times claim. Okay, first you copy your Faucet Pay Ethereum wallet and paste in here. Go to link address, because the Faucet Pay didn't have a wallet. You can just copy the MetaMask wallet and come here, paste. Okay, and just click I'm human. Just a few seconds wait. This one told you airplane. Just choose the airplane and click checked, and wait a second. Okay, that was checked and didn't show me any other capture. Why? Okay, this one is please check the and capture. Okay, this is the and capture that was in the top. I didn't see. Okay, this one and this and the last one. Wait 5 seconds. I didn't see and capture. Okay, about that, just click get a reward, and this website pay you your Ethereum, this much Ethereum. This website pay me on my Faucet Pay account. And now I'm going to check this website pays or not. Okay, go to your dashboard and come down. This is the website with foundation. This website pay you 81 Ethereum, and this is very wonderful. And this website link available in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself, and you can earn your free Ethereum. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.